I looked at my pay stub today, and I'm trying to figure out how they saying that the government shut down. Somebody still took their little funky taxes out my check. So who the hell still clocked in? Dear government, if y'all gonna be shut down, then shut it down. Ain't no half days in poverty, bitch. These motherfuckers talking about it's a crisis, but rent still due. Groceries high as giraffe knees, and gas out here flirting with $5 like it's sexy. At this point, the only thing shut down is my faith in the system. And don't get me started on these food stamps, baby. Whew. They don't snatch food stamps right out of poor people's hands. Folks walking around looking lost in Walmart. And let's keep it real for a second. The black community was not the only ones affected by this food stamp snatch. Y'all ever seen somebody try to grocery shop without an EBT card? I don't know who up there in the White House playing games with the EBT system, but baby, it's looking real Thanksgiving at the Waffle House this year. They don't took the damn food stamps. I went to swipe my card the other day and the machine said insufficient funds. I said, insufficient who? Ain't no damn government cut me off before my baby daddy did. What in the ghetto is going on with this world? How the hell y'all expect people to survive out here when a pack of chicken costs more than rent? You can't even make spaghetti no more. A pack of ground beef is $9. And onions is on the payment plan. I seen this lady at Walmart put back that turkey and pick up some ramen noodles talking about, I'm just thankful we got hot water this year. Now the hood depressed. Thanksgiving looking like potluck with no pots. Ain't no sweet potato pies, ain't no collard greens, just vibes, disappointment, and 2 packs of Kool-Aid. The government talk about we trying to balance the budget. Baby, balance these bills. Riddle me this. Y'all don't shut the stamps down, but still taking taxes out my check like I work for NASA. Listen, Bookie, if y'all gonna shut down, at least let the rest of us shut down too. Pause them bills too. Freeze them rent payments, and let's all be broke together. And for the folks who wasn't getting EBT, we can't even buy them no more. Your cousin used to say, I got 100 left on my card. We could do 50 for 100. Now she's saying, girl, I can't sell no food stamps this month. I'm fasting for spiritual reasons. I keep trying to tell y'all, this government shutdown hit everybody. I went to Aldi's the other day and seen Becky in there with her Chanel vest and her Birkin bag, arguing with the cashier, talking about,
hold on, there must be some mistake, ma'am.
Girl, welcome to the trenches. You know it's real when Chad gotta put that organic kale back and pick up some great value green beans. He was looking confused.
Like, babe, what's a government shutdown?
It's when your avocado toast dreams get repoed, Chad. Seems like the ghetto used to be the only ones stretching food stamps to the 28th. But now, Karen outside of Walmart with a cart full of turkey necks talking about,
We're just grateful for the experience.
Experience? Girl, this ain't Coachella. This the struggle. Now the lines at the food bank look like the United Nations Summit. You got Pookie, Chad, Maria, and Becky talking about, y'all got any more cheese left? No, baby. They ran out 3 countries ago. I tell you what, this shutdown humbled everybody. The government done brought equality, not through justice, not through law, but through everybody being broke together. This ain't the America that they promised us. I mean, if y'all gonna take the food stamps away, at least send us a care package first. We don't need another prayer. We need some poultry. The struggle don't turn folks vegan. By force, not by choice. And what's crazy is they shut the government down, but the IRS still working full time. How y'all broke, but still collecting? They said we can't afford to feed the people, but we can afford to take people's money. Make it make sense, Uncle Sam. At this point, this country feels like a bad roommate. Always broke, but still eating snacks. Let's just be real. They ain't shut the government down. They shut down compassion. You took the food stamps, raised the rent, taxing our checks, and call that freedom. I'm tired. So don't ask me what I'm cooking this year for Thanksgiving. I'm cooking vibes, conversation, and a little ramen noodle casserole. See, the struggle don't have no color. Whether your name is Lakeisha or Lauren, when them stamps stop, everybody feels the pain the same. We all standing in that grocery line praying that card swipe go through. I don't know who needs to hear this, but this Thanksgiving, let's not judge nobody's struggle, cause we all one bad policy away from frying bologna and calling it gourmet. The world is wild as hell, but one thing's for sure, you can't cancel community, baby. Now pass me that last pack of noodles. And let's all be grateful we still got something to eat.